Hi everyone! In this quick tutorial, I will show you how to join the Wizz Discount Club using the Visa app. Just open the app and let's wait a little bit. And now go to the top left corner and select the My Discounts. Now you can tap on Get Membership, which is totally free, but you have to tick this I accept the terms and conditions, and you may tick this one as well, and then click on Join. That's basically it. You will now have more discounts. I hope it will be useful for you. Have a nice day.